Good morning, dear children. Continuation of lesson number 14, algebraic formula, expansion of squares. Last class we have learned the expansion of a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Today we are going to learn expansion of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is a binomial, a minus b is also a binomial, multiplication of these two binomials. So let's see a plus b into a minus b. How to multiply two binomials? A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. A into a is a square minus a into b is ab plus b into a is ba minus b into b is b square. Now you can cancel this opposite numbers minus ab plus ab. While cancelling this, what remains over there? A square minus b square. So the expansion of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This is our third expansion formula. First one is a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the third expansion formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This you will have to by heart for solving the next exercise. So our expansion formula, third expansion formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Practice set 51. Use the formula to multiply the following. Here we are going to use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The first question is x plus y into x minus y. Here which formula you can use? A plus b into a minus b. In place of a, here it is x, and in place of b, here it is y. So directly you can write the answer. Answer, first write the formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore, x plus y into x minus y. Square of the first term, that is x square, minus square of the second term, that is y square. So our answer is x square minus y square. Question number 2. 3x minus 5 into 3x plus 5. Here also you can use the same expansion formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. In place of a, here it is 3x, and in place of b, it is 5. Here the order is changed, that is first a minus b, then a plus b. But the expansion is same, a square minus b square. So let's expand this. 3x minus 5 into 3x plus 5. A square minus b square form, that is a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. The first term is 3x. In place of a, here it is 3x, a square, that is 3x the whole bracket square, 3x the whole square, minus, in place of b, here it is 5, that is 5 square, 3x the whole square, that is 3 square into x square is equal to 9x square minus 5 square is 25. So our answer is 9x square minus 25. Question number 3. A plus 6 into a minus 6. Here also same formula, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So write each and every problem, write the formula also and read it loudly, so it will be by hearted very fast. Okay, therefore a plus 6 into a minus 6 is equal to a square minus 6 square is equal to a square minus 6 square is 36. So our answer is a square minus 36. Next one, question number 4. X upon 5 plus 6 into x upon 5 minus 6. Here also same formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In place of a, here it is x upon 5. In place of b, it is 6. Therefore, x upon 5 plus 6 into x upon 5 minus 6 is equal to a square, that is first term square. Here the first term is x upon 5. X upon 5, the whole bracket square minus 6 square. X upon 5 the whole square, that is x square upon 5 square. X square upon 5 square is 25. X square upon 25 minus 6 square is 36. So, therefore, x upon 5 plus 6 into x upon 5 minus 6 is equal to x square upon 25 minus 36. Question number 2. Use the formula to find the values. So, you will have to find out the values of the given multiplication. First one is 502 multiplied by 498. Here you can't multiply directly, you are going to use the formula and finding out the values. Okay, here you are going to use which formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. For that, first you will have to change this multiplication as 502 into 498 is equal to 502, you can write it as 500 plus 2 into 500, 498 you can write 500 minus 2. Now this is in the form a plus b into a minus b. In place of a, it is 500. In place of b, here it is 2. So here you can use the formula now, a square minus b square, that is 500 square minus 2 square. 500 square is 2,50,000 and 2 square is 4. 2,50,000 minus 4 is equal to 2,49,996. Therefore, 502 multiplied by 498 is equal to 2,49,996. Second one, 97 multiplied by 103. Here also same formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. First, write the numbers in the form a plus b into a minus b. 97, you can write 97 as 100 minus 3. And 103 means 100 plus 3. Now, this is in the form a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. In place of a, here it is 100 and in place of b it is 3. As per the formula, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore, 100 square minus 3 square is equal to 10,000 minus 9. 100 square is 10,000 and 3 square is 9. 10,000 minus 9 is 9,991. Okay. Now question number 3. 54 multiplied by 46. Here also same formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now you can change the numbers in the form a plus b into a minus b. 54 multiplied by 46 is equal to 54. You can write 50 plus 4. And 46, 50 minus 4. Now this is in the form a plus b into a minus b. That is 50 plus 4 into 50 minus 4. In place of a 50 and in place of b it is 4. So a square minus b square, that is 50 square minus 4 square. 50 square is 2500 and 4 square is 16. 2500 minus 16 is equal to 2484. Now the last question you will have to complete. Okay. Thank you.